Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we are looking at the primitive reflexes. Starting off with the palmar grips. So under the palmar grips, the onset is at 28 weeks of the gestation. And when is it fully developed? It is fully developed at 32 weeks of gestation. So it is developed at 32 weeks of gestation. So how is the duration? The duration is going to be from 2 to 3 months postnatal. So 28 weeks it appears, that is about 6 weeks, about 7 weeks. And then at 32 weeks, that is about 8 months, there is the fully development, and then the duration is about 2 to 3 months postnatal. Next we look at the rooting. The rooting is, the onset is at 32 weeks. So the onset here is 32 weeks. And the development is going to be 36 weeks. So how is the duration? The duration is going to be less prominent after 1 month postnatal. So it is less prominent. So it is less prominent after 1 month postnatal. After 1 month postnatal. Next is the Moro. So what is Moro? So in Moro, the onset is about 28 to 30 weeks. So the onset is 28 to 32 weeks of gestation. And when is it fully developed? So it is fully developed. This is during 37 weeks of gestation. So what we are noticing here is during onset and full development is there is a gap of about 4 weeks in general. So here it is, the development is at 37 weeks of gestation. So how is the duration? The duration here is about 5 to 6 months. It is postnatal. Next we look at the tonic neck. So in terms of the tonic neck, there is 35 weeks of gestation. There is 35 weeks of the gestation. And when is it fully developed? It is fully developed at 1 month postnatal. So developed at 1 month postnatal. And when is the duration? The duration is about 3 to 4 months postnatal. Now we look at the parachute reflex. So under the parachute reflex, the onset is about 7 to 8 months. So onset is 7 to 8 months. This is going to be postnatal. The onset is 7 to 8 months postnatal. So when is it fully developed? So development is taking place at 10 to 11 months. And this takes place postnatal. And how is the duration? The duration of the parachute reflex is very important. That is, the duration is presence towards life. So it is lifelong.